Introducing the Guyson 702T Wheel Blast Cleaning System, a proven world-class heavy-duty airless blasting system, an industrial workhorse made for cleaning, deburring, and paint prep. Easy to install, simple to maintain. With proper maintenance, Guyson 702T will last for years. Standing 16 feet tall and weighing 10,800 pounds, the 702T does not require a pit or special foundation. The blasting chamber is fabricated from heavy, rigid steel plate. In areas of extreme blast, high-quality, hardened cast alloy wear segments are positioned for added protection. Manually operated, dual-hinge doors provides full access to the blast chamber. The 702T's work table holds up to 4,000 pounds. Its turntable is 70 inches in diameter and can be rotated while the doors are open. The rotary table is heavily armored and made of 3/4-inch thick perforated nigh-hard cast alloy segments that can be removed and replaced should they be damaged due to prolonged wear and tear, dropped products, or dies. The table is driven with a smooth drive pulley system from a motor and gearbox located at the base of the machine. Heavy-duty, high-quality tapered roller bearings, which are shielded from dust, support the table shaft. Two highly efficient, hard alloy blast wheels are designed for heavy-duty applications. The machine's wheels are encased in a rugged steel housing that's lined with protective cast alloy material, ensuring minimum wear and long life. Each wheel is powered by a 10 HP motor. Guyson is a world leader in media reclamation systems. The 702T Advanced Reclamation System removes contaminants from the circulating bead. In the first stage, material from the cleaning chamber passes through a rotary sieve to remove coarse material or foreign objects. Then it is raised to the top of the system by a ruggedly made bucket elevator. As it cascades through the 702T's sensitive airway separator, dust and fines are extracted and then pass into a cyclone, which reclaims heavier media particles. Our powerful D2000 dust collector has high-performance cartridge-type filters that come standard with purge cone filtration system. The filters are backflushed by short pulses of low-pressure air to maintain full efficiency. It is capable of reclaiming microscopic media. The 702T is supplied as a complete unit with all electrical controls and hardware built in. Electrical equipment is standardized and conforms to international specifications. The 702T machine is essentially pre-wired for immediate wire-in operation to the main electrical supply, and minimal on-site wiring is necessary. The machine's touchscreen is intuitive, making it easy for operators to learn how to use the machine and maximize the 702T's performance. The 702T's work cycle is easy and efficient. Set the timer, and the work cycle operation begins blasting by actuating either of the two start buttons, one which is situated on the control panel, the other at the front of the machine. When the pre-programmed cycle is finished, it automatically shuts down, making the 702T safe and easy to operate. The 702T is a workhorse that can handle large, heavy materials. Several optional accessories are available to make handling components easier and more efficient, such as Guyson's easy loading transfer cart to fully automate processing of tray loads of components, satellite tables, and automatic compressed air blow-off. Value and performance beyond expectations. After you purchase the 702T Wheel Blast, you won't be left in the dust. We stand behind every machine we make. Whether you need spare parts, blast media, maintenance information, or answers to technical questions, Guyson's customer service team is ready to assist you. Value and performance beyond expectations. Call Guyson today. Visit Guyson.com to see more.